Hey everyone! Welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. Let me ask you something. When someone says, "Tell me about your family," do you suddenly forget all your English? It happens to many people.
Harry, that happened to me. I knew the words, but my mind just went blank. I thought, oh no, what should I say first?
Exactly. You're not alone. Today, we're going to have a relaxed conversation about family. No pressure, no difficult grammar. Just real English that you can actually use.
That sounds great. Family is one of the first topics people ask about, right?
Yes. Whether you meet a new friend, a classmate, a coworker, or even someone while traveling, they may ask, "Tell me about your family."
And after today's episode, everyone listening will feel much more confident.
Alex, let's start with a simple question. Tell me about your family.
Okay. I have a small family. There are 4 people in my family. My father, my mother, my younger brother, and me.
Very nice. That was simple and clear.
Really?
Absolutely. Many English learners think they need long, perfect sentences, but simple English is often the best English.
That's good to hear. Sometimes I stop speaking because I think my English isn't good enough.
I understand. Perfection can make us silent. Speaking makes us better.
Harry, did you ever feel nervous talking about your family?
Oh, yes. I remember meeting someone during a trip. He smiled and asked, "Do you have brothers or sisters?" I knew the answer, but I became nervous. I said, yes, one brother older me.
Really?
Yes. The funny thing is, he understood me. He smiled and said, "Oh, you have an older brother." Then I relaxed.
Wow. So communication is more important than perfect grammar?
Exactly. Don't wait to become perfect. Start speaking today. Okay, everyone. Let's practice together. Listen, then repeat after me. I have a small family. Very good. Now, my father is kind. Excellent. My mother is very caring. Great job! I have one brother. I have 2 sisters. We enjoy spending time together. Fantastic! That felt easy. That's the idea. Practice a little every day. Small steps create big progress.
Harry, what do families usually do together?
Oh, many things. Some families eat dinner together. Some watch movies. Some go shopping. Others enjoy evening walks.
My family likes drinking tea together after dinner. We talk about our day. Sometimes we laugh. Sometimes we tell funny stories.
That sounds wonderful. Those simple moments become beautiful memories. Imagine it's your first day at work. Your coworker asks, "So, tell me about your family." What could you say?
Maybe I live with my parents. I have one younger sister.
We are very close. Perfect. Then your coworker may ask, "What does your father do?" "Oh, my father is a teacher." Or, "My father works in a hospital."
Exactly. Simple answers. Natural conversation. Everyone listening, here's today's speaking challenge. Can you introduce your family in 5 sentences? Don't stop the podcast. Try now. Ready? Go!
I think everyone is speaking now. I hope so. Remember, don't translate every word. Speak with confidence. Harry, what's your favorite family memory?
Good question. One year, my whole family celebrated my grandmother's birthday. Everyone brought food. The children played games. The adults talked for hours. We laughed together. Nobody looked at their phones. It was simple, but it was one of the happiest days of my life.
Wow, that sounds lovely. Sometimes happiness comes from simple moments.
Exactly. Family isn't about having everything. It's about sharing time together. Students often need to talk about family in class. Yes. A teacher might say, "Please introduce your family." A simple answer could be, "My family is very important to me. There are 5 people in my family. We support each other. I love spending time with them."
That's easy to remember.
Imagine your friend calls you. They ask, "How's your family?" What would you say?
Maybe everyone is doing well. Thank you for asking.
Great. Or, "My parents are fine. My brother is busy with work." Simple, friendly, natural.
What if I'm traveling?
Someone might ask, "Did you come with your family?" You can answer, "No, I'm traveling alone." Or, "Yes, I'm here with my parents." Easy. Now, let's learn some useful words.
Yay! My favorite part.
Number 1. Parents. My parents are very supportive. Number 2. Brother. I have one brother. Number 3. Sister. My sister loves reading. Number 4. Grandparents. My grandparents live in the countryside. Number 5. Relative. I visited my relatives last weekend. Number 6. Close. My family is very close. Number 7. Support. My family always supports me. Number 8. Celebrate. We celebrate birthdays together. Number 9. Memory. That is my favorite family memory. Number 10. Together. We enjoy eating together.
These words are useful in daily conversations.
Let's do a short role play. I'll ask the questions. You answer after Alex. Ready? Hello. Tell me about your family.
I have a family of 4.
Great. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Yes. I have one younger brother. What do you like doing together? We enjoy watching movies and cooking. Excellent. Now everyone listening, answer those questions using your own information.
Harry, sometimes I still worry about making mistakes.
Can I tell you a secret?
Of course.
Every confident speaker made mistakes. The difference is they kept speaking. Confidence doesn't come first. Practice comes first. Confidence follows.
Wow. I really needed to hear that.
And maybe someone listening needed it too. If you make a mistake, smile, correct yourself, keep talking. That's real progress.
Today, we talked about family, memories, daily life, useful vocabulary, and speaking practice.
Yes, and I hope everyone noticed something important. English is not only about words. It's about sharing your life, sharing your stories, sharing your feelings.
That's true. When we talk about our families, we connect with people.
Before we finish, let's say these sentences together. My family is very important to me. We support each other. I enjoy spending time with my family every day. Excellent! You did a wonderful job. Thank you for listening to today's episode.
We hope you learned something useful today and feel more confident talking about your family in English.
Tell us in the comments, how many people are in your family and what do you enjoy doing together?
We'd love to read your answers. And don't forget to practice your English every day, even if it's just for a few minutes.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like the video and subscribe to 24/7 Talk English for more friendly English conversations.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Until then, take care, keep smiling, and keep speaking English. Bye, everyone.
Bye. See you next time.